child's pose. You walk the hands forward, tabletop. Cat and cow, just move the spine a little bit. Inhale into cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale in cow. Exhale in cat. One more time. Inhale in cow. Exhale in cat. And we move to neutral tabletop pose. Curl the toes under. Inhale. Exhale, tower facing dog. And the knees look forward between your hands. Step push up, directly to chair pose. We focus here on neutral lower back. Belly in, knees squeezing one another. Inhale, exhale, we lift the hips up and we squeeze them together. We're gonna go down for 5. 1, hip sinking deeper. 2, very low chin. 3, 4, and 5. Hips on the mat. Baby bow pose with knees bent. Optional, we can hold the big toes. We seek here length in the lower back and lifted heart center. In case you don't hear me anymore, let me know. Send me a message. No, if you don't hear me, you will not hear me. Yeah, I think the button of the microphone will not make it to the end of the class. Inhale. Exhale, release the toes. Bring your feet on the mat. Hip width apart, close to the hips. And we walk the hands behind the back, fingers pointing back. For reverse tabletop pose, feet active. On exhalation, we lift the hips. We push them forward and we go all the way up. Legs remain parallel, feet are active, hands are active. Shoulders strong away from the ears. Tailbone in. Inhaling and exhaling. We lower down the hips. We give ourselves a big hug for a moment. Next inhalation, we lift the head, we bring the hands behind us, this time fingers pointing towards us. There is a block, one elbow distance. We take the right leg, so let's start with the right one and cross it on top of the left shin bone. The right knee is going to push out, left foot is active, hands are active, squeeze the core, squeeze the pelvic floor, inhale hips, slightly up, then forward, and then all the way up. Here we can free the right leg completely. Bring the right knee close to the chest bend. And extend it up. Inhale. And exhale, right foot down. Then we go all the way down. Give ourselves a big hug. We have one more side to repeat. Let's take a deep breath here to reset. Hands behind us. So the legs are hip width apart. Yeah, you can also bring them together for that one, so it will be a little bit easier when the single leg will be in the center, just an option. Then we left shin bone cross on top of the right thigh, externally rotating the left hip. Hands behind us, spread the fingers. We lift the hips a little bit, we push them forward and all the way up. Keep on lifting the hips higher. Now we squeeze the left knee close to the chest. Bend. Inhale and exhale. Kick it up. Inhale. Exhale. Bend the left knee again. Step it down. And lower down the hips and give yourself a big hug. And inhale again, lift the head. Feet are hip width apart. We bring the hands behind the back. This time, fingers pointing out. Feet are hip width apart, active. With the next inhalation, we lift the hips 2 centimeters off the ground. We push them forward and all the way up. Now we lean a little bit on the left. The right fingers are free. And the right arm will come forward, up, and over the head. As you lift your chest. Very similar to wild thing. Inhaling and exhaling. We're going to lower down the hips. We bring both hands on the mat. And we switch the side. So we're going to push the hips forward, up. Left arm's going to draw a circle. Forward, up, over the head. Lift the hips, lift the chest. Only right arm is on the ground, left is up. Inhale and exhale, bring the left hand on the mat. Lower down the hips. Give yourself a big hug. Steady breath, inhale. Exhale through the mouth, let everything go. One more time, inhale through the nose. Exhale. And allow the knees to come out, to bring the feet together, legs into diamond shape. And with round spine, relaxing completely, holding to the feet or to the hands. Allow the head to move direction your feet. Next inhalation, lift the head, close the knees, extend left leg forward with flexed ankle, and bring the right foot in one line with the left knee. There is 1 hand distance in between. We hug right knee with opposite elbow, right hand behind us for a spinal twist. Inhale, lift the chest, exhale, look back. Left foot active, kicking invisible wall. Now we take the left elbow, because you are bending. Left arm goes up, inhale, and slightly lean back. And exhale, left elbow taken on the outer side of the right thigh. You can bring the hand on the hip. Or we can go for a bind. So the right hand is pushing the right thigh, and the left armpit will land on the left, on the right thigh or knee. Then we roll internally the left shoulder. We can squeeze the foot closer to the hip. Internally rotating the shoulder, left hand reaching behind. And then right shoulder rolling in. Maybe fingers will meet each other. Once this happens, no? Okay, good, we keep it here. Let's keep it in the previous one. Inhale. And exhale, we're gonna come to the center. We switch the side. Right leg straight. Flex ankle, left knee bent in one line with the knee. One hand distance in between. Opposite elbow hook in the knee. Left hand behind. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, look back, twist. Optional right arm up, inhale, lean back. Exhale, right elbow, left thigh. Shoulders away from the neck. With next inhalation, we come to the center. Extend both legs, shake it out a little bit. And find our grounded posture. Dandasana, sitting bones on the ground, legs together, feet together, hands pushing down the hips. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, chin to the chest. Gaze at the tip of the nose. Inhaling, arms up, gaze up. And exhaling, pushing Uttanasana. Hands can hold outer edges of the feet or push the top of the feet to the toes. Or you can hold your wrists and wrap both feet around. Inhaling, lifting the head, lifting the upper body. And exhaling, you can open the legs widely. So I'll take the right leg, so you'll be facing the camera. And you open the legs wide. The sitting bones are still on the mat. Ankles flexed. Inhaling, arms up. Exhaling, we fold forward. Optional, we can grab big toes or we can bring the hands on the mat. Great. Inhaling and exhaling, maybe allow the forehead to go down. With next inhalation, we lift the head, we lift the upper body, we release the toes, we grab the inner side of the knees. We lean back and allow the feet to come together for butterfly or down angle. Begin to fly. Or maybe a little bit faster. And slower again until we stop and come to neutral, but actively pushing the knees down on the mat. Inhaling, lifting the heart. Exhaling, your navel wants to touch your feet. Elbows close to the body. Inhaling, lifting the heart, and exhaling, allow the head to move down to the ground. Inhaling, coming up to sitting, and give yourself a big hug or small hug. And we're gonna rotate again to face the back of the mat. Hips in the center. Arms straight, we round in the spine, vertebra by vertebra until we come to supine position, giving ourselves a little bit of massage. And hug your knees. Optional roll from left to right. Or back and forth. If it's not too much for the spine, you can roll also back and forth. Extend the arms on the side of the body. Allow your knees to come to the right side. For a moment, a little bit of twist. One more last final twist. And with inhalation, knees to the center, close to the chest. And exhaling, twisting to the other side. Inhaling to the center, give yourself a big hug and now squeeze all of the muscles of your body, your face, make a grumpy face, squeeze the hands and the belly and everything as much as you can engage and contract all of the possible muscles. Inhale and exhale, release everything, Shavasana.